Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox Dell Latitude 5550. So as you can see now, Dell has come up with, it has been some time, but they have come up with 100% recycled and renewable materials for their packaging. So this is the box. So when you try to open, you have the notebook covered with a sleeve and also the charger adapter, the power cord. Okay, and also you have some manuals inside. Okay, as you can see, I have taken out from the sleeve. So when you try to open the notebook, you have this cover on the keyboard. Okay, it looks this way. So it's just a plastic cover for protection. So currently it's using Intel vPro Ultra 5, the newest processor. Okay. When you press the on button, it loads Windows through the boot screen first. Okay. So yeah, this is how the Latitude 5550 looks like. It's running on Windows 11. So thank you for watching.